All right, y'all, for day 17 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, we've got Meals and Munchies Easy Tortellini. This looks so freaking good. Let me show you how she makes it. Starts by browning up 1 pound of ground beef. I am using this ground beef. It is 90-10 from Strick's Meats. They're located in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and they're about to be accepting online orders, and I cannot recommend their meat enough. I get my burgers, ground beef, brats. They have so many different things, and the quality of their meat is truly unmatched. So we're doing 1 pound of 90-10 ground chuck. All right, while the ground beef is browning up, we're gonna boil our tortellini. This is a 20-ounce bag. This is a chicken mozzarella tortellini. I've never tried it. I don't know, it sounded good. But use cheese tortellini, whatever you want. All right, she seasons her meat with a little bit of salt, black pepper, some Italian seasoning. I love this Fire and Smoke Society Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. And she says to shred up a block of mozzarella cheese. Okay, so I ended up shredding half of the block. So this is 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese. That'll go on the top. Once your ground beef is all nice and browned up, add 1 block, so 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1 jar of marinara sauce. We're gonna let this slowly melt into a cheesy marinara meat sauce. While this cheese is melting down, I wanted to show y'all some of the stuff I got from Strick's Meats yesterday that I am so excited to cook and try for you guys. Okay, so I have had these. It is their buttery prime rib burger patties. You guys, I did these in the skillet. These were the best burgers I've ever had. Got some of these boudin and cream cheese stuffed peppers, boudin egg rolls, mac and cheese brats. Nowhere else that sells stuff like this, and it actually tastes freaking delicious. So y'all gotta go check out Strick's Meats. Trust me, you'll never buy your meat anywhere else. Cream cheese is fully melted and it looks divine. We're gonna add our tortellini. Only cook these till al dente because they're gonna cook a little bit more in the sauce in the oven. And gently fold in all of this yummy meat sauce. You could totally eat it just like right out of the skillet, but I'm gonna bake this in the oven. Oh yeah. All right, finally, we're just gonna top this with our mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella. All right, now I'm just gonna pop this in the oven on 350 degrees until the cheese is nice and bubbly, and I'll see you when it's ready. All right, y'all, this is ready, and it looks so freaking yummy.